G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic townhouse in the popular complex of Cove. Only a limited number of these homes offers direct street access from its own private courtyard. Let's go and take a look around. Situated in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan, Ramada Encore by Wyndham, Cove, Hervey Bay, is located only 300 metres from the Urangan beach and Marina, offering the lifestyle that comes with having resort facilities surrounded by lush tropical gardens that wrap around the 25-metre lagoon pool and heated spa. Cove is a secure, gated community consisting of 94 apartments, ideally positioned and designed for those looking for a low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or a solid investment opportunity offering strong returns. This is a place where peace and privacy meet in the cosmopolitan heart of a tourism property hotspot. This great townhouse is located strolling distance to the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Marina and boat ramps, and is only minutes away from key amenities including the Urangan Central shopping centre, Aldi's, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade Beach and iconic Urangan Pier, where you have a selection of cafes and restaurants to choose from. Beyond the entrance, this home has been planned to allow for seamless space transitions with an expansive, open-plan living and dining area, which includes reverse cycle split-system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen is cleverly positioned to seamlessly connect with that open-plan living area that flows then out to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area and private courtyard. This is where you will appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You also have your own private external gate access out onto Pulgul Street without the need of going through the main complex. The stylish kitchen features stone bench tops and ample bench and storage space. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. You also have a powder room with toilet on the ground floor. Upstairs there are 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe, ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The large bathroom includes a bath, shower, vanity and toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and includes a washing machine and clothes dryer, while offering direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with remote door and direct internal access into the home. Imagine being able to stroll to the landmark Urangan Marina and experience all that Hervey Bay and the Fraser Coast has to offer, yet being able to retreat to an exclusive haven, purpose designed to provide peace, calm and harmony with a coastal lifestyle, no matter how adventurous or laid back that lifestyle is. You've also got the added bonus of those exclusive residence facilities, which include that resort style pool, spa, barbecues with outdoor furniture, recreation and games room with a ping pong table, lounges and a plasma TV. The sellers are not testing the market and we've got clear instructions. All offers are to be presented as they're calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.